Hey students, today I'm going to show you how to log in to use your Spokane Public Library student library card and PIN. First, you will go to spokanelibrary.org/students. Once here, you will click this button, Log in here. It will direct you to the Spokane Public Schools site where you will then use your student credentials at Spokane Public Schools to log in here. Once you log in, if you haven't already activated your card, you will need to fill out a few details so you can activate that. After that, you will be directed to this page where you will see your student library card number here and the PIN. Write these down for easy access. Once you know your student library card number and PIN, you can then check out things like Overdrive for ebooks, Canopy for movies and documentaries, and you can even get school help using our research databases and articles. If you have any questions, you can email us at schoolcards@spokanelibrary.org and we are happy to help you. Thanks so much. Bye.